Assalamu alaikum. Well, we are in Badragund, Anantnag, and we are lucky. We are lucky. We got Sharda who qualified JK Civil Service exam judicial in the beginning. First of all, congratulations. How do you feel to qualify this exam?
Thank you so much. Actually, I'm feeling very overwhelmed, and at the same time, I'm feeling very happy because it was my first attempt, and I was not expecting to be in the list because there was a lot of competition in it, and there were only 17 seats in open merit category. So I have made it. So I'm very happy about it.
Can you take back in the beginning? How do you decide to pursue law as a career?
Actually, from the very beginning, when I did my 12th. So I was very clear that because I was very inclined towards studying law and then becoming a judicial officer. So then I decided that I have to do law. So then I did BLAB honors and graduated in 2024. And since then, I was preparing for this examination.
There is a lot of social stigma in the society, and that causes stress. How do you maintain this stress and maintain this consistency?
Actually, I won't say stigma, but meanwhile, while I was preparing for this examination, I had a lot of self doubts because I was preparing within the circumscribing walls of my room. So I was quite. Sometimes I would feel low, and also I would feel energyless. But at that time, I would just insist myself that I have to do it. So I would just stand and start preparing again.
There is a lot of small girls in the villages who are hesitate to dream big. Is there any kind of message toward?
Yes, because I myself, I'm from a very small village, Nusubadragun. So from the very beginning, so I had this dream that I have to do something. I have to become a judge, and I think I have accomplished it. And anyone can dream. And if you are dreaming, then you should dream big.
There's a lot of students who are just pursuing the law degree और जो चाहते हैं कि हम judicial researcher बने उनके लिए कोई खास message?
मैसेज उनसे यही है कि अगर आप 5 ईयर आप दे रहे हो, यू हैव 5 years to this course, so you should be consistent. If your fundamentals are clear, then you can do better, and if your concepts are clear, then definitely if you are pursuing it with diligently, you are studying law diligently for 5 years, then I think it would be a
There will be a lot of ups and downs during preparation. तो आपने उनको कैसे देखा है?
Actually, there were lots of ups and downs because I was doing a job. I was doing legal research. I'm working right now, working a legal researcher at the Jammu and Kashmir High Court. So it was quite Herculean to manage both simultaneously. So I would go to the court and then come back, and then it was quite difficult to focus on the books and get back to the normal course of studies. So, but at that time, I was like, I have to do it. So I would just come back and take some rest, and then again do the same stuff I was doing from past 6 or 7 months. And I made sure that if I'm preparing for 5 or 6 months, I would prepare like I would just give my everything.
Anyway, who was the role model in the law?
In law, specifically nobody, because I'm the first generation lawyer of my family. There was no such thing, or nobody pushed me to do law. I was myself inclined. Although apart from that, my role model has always been my father.
Credit किसको देना चाहते हैं पूरे?
My father, whole credit.
और
There
जो
is no substitute to that.
अच्छा माँ
Her also, but foremost father, my father.
अच्छा मुझे बताया कि जो आपको अभी देख रहे हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे इंस्पायर हो रहे हैं anyway who was your inspiration?
Inspiration, I would say nobody, but I had mentors. I had a mentor. He helped me a lot throughout my journey. If I would feel any sort of self-doubt, I was skeptical, any sort of skepticism, I would call him and I'll ask him. So he was there for me. He is currently serving as Munsif JNV Anantnag, District Anantnag, sorry. So he helped me a lot. He was my mentor. So I made sure that I was in connection with him. I was in contact with him. So he was the one, who helped me. And apart from that, my father has always been there.
Thank you. Anyway, this law is by choice or this is by luck?
Law is by choice. I mean, I was quite very much inclined towards studying law and becoming a judicial officer. And
Thank you for being with us.